everyone. This is David with Aspen Grove Studios. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our child themes, case study, fashion, and Divi Cafe. As you know, recently we removed them from the marketplace. They were no longer available for download because we were making some modifications to the child themes that we felt we needed to make. So thank you for being patient. We appreciate all the feedback and all the positive response that we've had from all of our products, Divi Footer Editor, Cafe, Fashion, and Case Study. Be on the lookout for some new products that are coming out. But the most important thing that I want to share with you today is that this week we will be re-releasing all three of our child themes. Now what's different, you might ask? Well, I'll tell you a little bit about it, and then we're going to do some install and some videos that you can watch. So be on the lookout for those. The products will be re-released on elegantmarketplace.com, probably no later than midweek. One of the features that we've incorporated into all of our child themes is the Divi Footer Editor. So if you get any of our child themes, you're also going to get the Divi Footer Editor hard-coded into that specific child theme. So that's a nice added bonus that we've done. Also, we've incorporated a custom login screen so that you can brand for clients as well if you'd like, or for your own branding. You know, maybe you're just tired of looking at the same old WordPress backend and you want a beautiful shot of the mountains, you know, as your login screen. You're going to be able to set that with ease. So please be on the lookout for that. We're going to be putting out a blog post on Elegant Marketplace that's going to cover all of the changes that we made, along with our installation tutorials that Corey is going to go over, and I'm going to go ahead and cover some of the enhancements that we've made to the child theme. So please be on the lookout for that. We look forward to your feedback. Thanks again for all your support. We'll talk soon.
Hello. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough of how to install the Aspen Case Study child theme from Aspen Grove Studios. You might recognize this child theme from elegantthemes.com. This is based off of one of the example websites that they released with the launch of Divi 2.4, and you can see it's just a really nicely laid out website with some great features, and it's perfect for your design agency or almost any type of business. So let's go ahead and jump in here, and I'm going to show you how to install this thing. Okay, so here we are in our WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to head over to Appearance and Themes. And before we get started, there's a couple of important things to note. Before you can actually install the Case Study child theme, you'll need a few things, first of which is a self-hosted WordPress installation on your server. And the second is, of course, the Divi theme from elegantthemes.com. If you do not already have an Elegant Themes membership, I highly recommend that you head over there and purchase one. As a developer or designer, it's definitely one of the best investments that you can make. So you can see here I've already installed and activated the Divi theme to save us some time. So now let's go ahead and we'll install the Cafe child theme. Go to Add New, Upload Theme. And one important thing to note when you make your purchase on elegantmarketplace.com and download the child theme, you'll first receive a main zip file, the kit, that has the casestudy.zip and also some README documentation within that. So you want to make sure that you extract that primary zip file and that you're only uploading the casestudy.zip located within that. Okay, so let's install that and activate. And you can see now that the Case Study child theme is now active on your WordPress website. So over here on the left-hand tabs, you'll now see a new tab called Case Study. And within that, we have some really cool new features that we're including in our child themes now. We'll go over those a little bit later. But for now, all you want to do is go in here and click Import Demo Data. And then push the blue button here. And be sure to only press that once. If you push it more than once, it could cause an error in the installation. Okay, that's all finished up. We're going to go to Settings, Reading, select a static page. From the drop-down, select Our Company, Save Changes. Next, we're going to go to Appearance and Menus. And you can see here that the primary menu is already populated, so all you have to do is go down here and tick the box that says Primary Menu. Save that. Also, under Appearance, we're going to go to Customize, Header and Navigation, Header Format, and we're going to choose Centered Inline Logo. Save and Publish. Exit out of the Customize tab. And the next step, we're going to go down to Divi Theme Options. This will bring up the ePanel. Scroll all the way to the bottom here. Check Smooth Scrolling. Back to Top button. Save that. And that completes your installation of Case Study. So let's visit the front end. And you can see now that all of our content, text, images have imported into the site. And you can go through now real easily and swap out the text and the images and really get this customized to match your needs. So that is how you install the Case Study Child theme from Aspen Grove Studios. Thank you very much for your support, and we hope that you really enjoy using this child theme from Aspen Grove Studios. If you need additional help with installation, or need some extra help with customization on your theme, please feel free to contact us at support@aspengrovestudios.com or visit us on our website at aspengrovestudios.com. Now stick around, and David Blackman is going to give you an in-depth look at some really cool new premium features that we're now including in our child themes.
Hi everybody, this is David with Aspen Grove Studios. Today I'm going to cover our 404 page settings, how it works, what you can do with it, what you can't do with it. First thing I want to say about a 404 page, in case you're not familiar, a 404 page is a page that shows up when somebody mistypes your URL. So say for instance, casestudy.timberidgemedia.com is where I've got this demo installed, and I type a bunch of non-legible text that doesn't lead to a page or anything. The standard WordPress default, it looks like this: no results found, page you requested could not be found. What we've done is we have added a feature into our child theme that allows you to customize that page very simply and very easily. Obviously you could go in and do this the manual way that you normally do it. We just feel like it's a lot easier with our 404 page settings customizer. So let me show you how that works. Today I'm using the Case Study Child theme by Aspen Grove Studios. It can be found at elegantmarketplace.com. Let's go over here to the Case Studies tab on the left menu, come down to the 404 page settings. You'll notice that you've got a drop-down menu that allows you to select a page for your 404 error template. Currently, I've got it set to none to the WordPress default, which I showed you. We've created a custom 404 page that comes with all of our themes. I'm going to show you what that looks like and how you can change it immediately. So select 404 page, hit Save Changes. The next thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your permalink settings are not set to default. They can be anything else. If it's set to default, this will not work. So when you install the child theme, it's originally going to be set to here to the default. It won't work. So choose another setting. Most people choose post name. Hit Save Changes. Make sure that you're logged out. Type some text behind there, and now all of a sudden you've got a very nice, simple custom page that we've designed. Oops, the page you're looking for could not be found. Please use the search box or visit the home page. We've given you a template that we've created that allows them to search your website to find what they're looking for, or they can simply click the button and it takes them back to your home page. You can select any 404 page that you would like. This particular website has 4 pages built into it. You can also add your own page. So let's go and add our own custom page. We're going to add new, and we're going to call this page our new 404 page. Okay, and let's just use the Divi Builder. I'm going to load one of the templates from the library just to kind of show you how easy it is. Now you can design the page however you like. You've got all the flexibility in the world. Just hit Publish. Come back down to your 404 page settings. You'll notice that we have new 404 page here. Select it, hit Save Changes. Let's go over to our other browser where we're logged out and do a test again and type some stuff that you know is not on your website. Now all of a sudden we've got this product features page that we said. It's that simple, it's that easy. We hope you enjoy our products. Please let us know in the reviews below. You can find all of our products on elegantmarketplace.com. Until next time, have a great day. Hi everyone, this is David with Aspen Grove Studios. I'm going to cover the Login Customizer, a new WordPress login customization tool that we've added into all of our child themes, Cafe, Fashion, and Case Study. So if you own or have downloaded or purchased any of our themes, this will be a new tool that is integrated into all of our themes. I'm going to show you a little bit of its power, so let's get started. Okay, you'll notice that we're on the back end of a WordPress website, but it doesn't look like a standard typical WordPress website with the white background, the blue W for WordPress, and the username password. What we've done is we have given you the ability to add your own logo to replace the WordPress logo, add an image as the background, or use a solid color. We've also allowed you to customize the button styling, the color of the text. We've pretty much given you free range on what you can do with this back end of your WordPress login page. So some people may want to use it as a feature added benefit for a client where they can brand, continue to brand their brand. So let's go on the back end and show you what we've got. Okay, we're on the back end of a standard WordPress dashboard, Divi of course. I'm using the case study theme today. So you'll notice you're going to go down here to the case study tab and you'll notice Login Customizer. Click on it. The Login Customizer, once you click that, will take you into the Divi theme customizations. So you'll notice a new tab down here, Login Customizer. Go ahead and click on it. And you'll notice that it's pretty intuitive. If you'd like to add a background image, just put your image URL here. If you want the login form alignment to be left, center, or right aligned, you just simply select a button. I'm going to go ahead and change it to right. If you would like to add your logo or a client's logo, you would put that URL here. Now, if you wanted to make it a solid color on the background, you're simply going to select the color that you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose a nice color here. One thing that you want to be aware of is when you install the theme first, it's going to default it down with transparency all the way to the bottom. So make sure you lift that opacity up all the way so that that color comes through. You can change the link color. Let's go ahead and make it bright green. You can change the form background color. Let's go ahead and make it a nice purple, but remember we need to bring up our opacity so that it will actually show. Let's change the button color to red and go ahead and hit Save and Publish. Now what we're going to want to do is we want to open up a new window somewhere where you're not logged in. So I'm going to open up a new incognito window and go as if I'm going to log into the website. And you'll notice that now I have the color, the background, it's right aligned, the text is green, the button's red, and the background of the login area is purple. So that gives you an idea of the power and flexibility. Let me show you how to add an image. So go back to the Login Customizer. Let's go ahead and add this image as our background image. So I've got an image link here. I'm going to go ahead and just copy that. You want to go ahead and delete that text, add that image there, and let's go ahead and put a different logo on there as well. I'll go ahead and grab one of my logos. I'm going to copy that image URL there. I'm going to replace this here. I want to go ahead and put this back to default. Let's go ahead and set everything back to default. And default, I'm going to want it left aligned this time, and I'm going to hit save and publish. Let's go back over to our other browser window where we're not logged in and refresh that page and see what changes have been made. So now you'll notice that I have a new image on the back side. It's left aligned. You can barely see my logo here. I apologize for that, but it is there. You need to optimize it for the right size and whatnot. I probably have a very, very small logo there. But you'll notice that the logo changed, the image changed. One last thing I want to show you is the background image tint. So let's see if we can make the logo stand out a little bit more. Maybe put a little bit of more tint. And refresh. Okay, now you see the logo can stand out more. You've got quite a bit of power and flexibility back here. Don't be afraid to use it. Leave us some reviews. We hope you appreciate our products. Until next time, have a great day.
Hi everybody, this is Corey with Aspen Grove Studios, and today I'm going to give you an updated look of our Divi Footer Editor plugin. We released the first version of this plugin a couple of weeks ago, and we've added some really cool new features that I'm going to show off to you today. So for those of you who aren't familiar with our plugin, what it allows you to do is to change your footer copyright text on your website without having to create a child theme, without having to touch a line of your footer.php, and this is all done within a WYSIWYG dashboard. So it makes everything really easy, just like you're editing a page or a post. So you can see down here we have our custom text added, we have an image, and you can also do some other really cool new things with our plugin. You can embed videos, you can change the color of your text, you can link your text, and then I'll show off some of the most recent features to you now. So the first step I'm going to take, and this is for people that currently have the 1.0 version of the plugin installed, I'm going to show you how to upload the new version. And actually in the future you won't have to take this step. One of the new features that we've implemented is an automatic update feature. So in the future new updates will get automatically pushed to your WordPress dashboard, and you'll update our plugin just like you would any other plugin downloaded through the WordPress repository. So you can see here I have my text added, we have the image that we've inserted, and what I'm going to do before I install the new version of the plugin is copy this text here, and that way I can paste it back in once we've reinstalled the Footer Editor. So let's go to our plugins, and we'll deactivate and delete the 1.0 version, and we're going to install the 1.1 version of the plugin, which I've already downloaded from elegantmarketplace.com, and I have it here on my desktop. So let's grab that. Okay, and activate it. And then after that's activated, it will appear under Appearance and Divi Footer Editor. So for those of you who are going through the step of updating the plugin, we've copied the text. I'm going to paste it back in here. And you can see that everything's appeared as it was before I installed the new 1.1 version of the Divi Footer Editor. So looking at our dashboard here, you can see that some new features we have are the documentation we've directly linked to within the editor here, and we'll always keep this up to date for you, so it's really easy to refer to. And also, if you have any questions, you can always email us at support@aspengrovestudios.com. Okay, so one of the biggest new features, besides the automatic updates that I was mentioning, are the date shortcodes. And you can see up here we have a shortcodes inserter. So when you click on that, we have year, month, date, current day, and current time. So you have some different options you can choose from. So let's go ahead and make this look like a lot of people do in their footers. We're gonna do a copyright, and you can actually add just within the WYSIWYG here, add the copyright symbol really easily, and then we're gonna insert the date. So this is a dynamic date. So with every year, this will update for you, so you don't have to go back in and change all of your clients' websites. Okay, and we're going to link to our website here. So just like you would in a post, just go in here and add the URL. And we'll open that up in a new window. Okay, so that's added the link for us. And let's take a look here and see how this looks on the front end of the website. And you can see here that we have our copyright information. We have the date, and as mentioned, this will automatically update with every year, so you don't have to go back in and change it. So let's take a look real quick at some of the other date shortcode features. And what I'm going to do is just kind of add these below, so you can kind of get a sense of what the different shortcodes do. So the current date, this will actually add the date, including the day, month, and year. And then if you wanted to add the individual month, individual day, and the individual time, you can do that. So let's add the date and the time. Okay, so you can see here we have our copyright information. Underneath it, it is displaying some of the new shortcodes that I've popped in there, the full date and the time. And this is all done very easily within a post editor. And hopefully you guys enjoy this plugin, and it makes your lives a lot easier, saves you a bunch of time. Once again, if you do have any questions, feel free to email us at support@aspengrovestudios.com. And also feel free to leave a comment below this post here or within YouTube. So once again, thank you guys for all the support, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.